One video dey circulate for social media wey be say Peter Obi dey compare Nnamdi Kanu and what dey call am dis man wey dey agitate for Yoruba nation, Sunday Igboho. He dey compare dem to all Nigerian politicians. He talk am say you see the two of them, Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, say dem dey more popular than almost all the politicians wey dey for this country. In case you never watch the video, you never hear how Peter Obi take talk am, make you be like say na me dey talk am. What show am?
Today that in the southwest, Sunday Igboho is far more popular than all the politicians put together. In the southeast, Nnamdi Kanu is far more popular than all the politicians put together. Because when you talk about separation and everything, you've driven people to a point where they have what drives the economy and what drives people to live in a country is.
I reason with wetin this man talk. More we talk true. With the way this man talk and this Peter Obi, with the way he talk and say these people say na because say the government, the economy, they don't push them reach one extent. That's why they come out say they won't agitate. So they come out say okay, they don't want they don't want to become one again. Say they want better things for the people. Now because say the suffering ain't dey too much for them and their people, and also the suffering dey too much for real. But I said the fact the suffering we dey face for this country ain't dey too much. This Peter Obi come talk and say that's why the fact say these people they agitate. That's why say these people they talk and say wetin the government do, they pay them. Say the government no even for one day call them say wetin they want. How he want take make the government, how their this thing go make the government take good. Now democracy we dey do so. And I believe say for democracy the government suppose have listening ear to hear the agitators. Okay, wetin we now want, how do we make this Nigeria, how do we make it work, how do we make it dey more united, no be by say to dey enforce something as if say na military regime na we dey. Imagine gas, cooking gas, you sabi how much dey fill am now? 750, 800 per kg. Something we say we dey use to fill 3 kg before, now we dey use am to fill only 1 kg. Imagine, see the hardship. Why won't people voice out? Why won't they voice out? And they come for road today. One elderly man, they talk and they talk say make we leave the government to God. Now God vote them. When we talk some truth, don't be everything you go leave to God hand. Now because say God don't want make the disturb arm. That's why God give us brain. God give us brain. No be God give us no be God elect them for post. Now we ourselves carry our thumb, use and vote for the people we like. Why we go to talk say make we leave the government to God? Now government now shey na God put them there. Shey na God put them there. See the hardship wey dey happen. The man call dey preach one thing for me say make we have wetin the endurance wey they have for 6 years. Now wetin shey na the way the thing be before na him be now. Sabi how much fuel be? No, how much fuel? Salary no increase. Salary e no increase at all. And things they increase for market. Anything you buy today, go there again tomorrow, e go don increase. Why? Wetin we do? And those people they cash out billions of naira, and yet we dey always get cash. What you call them? Cash comes for this country. We don't get them. See the amount of billions they book for this thing, for ordinary generator, for White House, and we they suffer. Nigerians they suffer for darkness for this country. They suffer. Yet some people come voice out say they don't want this thing. Nnamdi Kanu and what they call them, and this Yoruba man, Sunday Igboho come voice out. Come voice out say they don't want this thing. Say the suffering too much. Yet wetin happen? Call them terrorists. Now wetin this Peter Obi, now wetin they talk? I be that say the government no even think about say wetin make these people talk, wetin they talk, wetin make these people move out. All these things no dey for the past 8 years now. These people no voice out because say things dey okay. Things dey okay there now. See wetin now? How much na dollar now? Dollar per naira, how much now? Imagine our economy now. Zimbabwe dollar now the worst currency for the whole world. Imagine Zimbabwe dollar now can they get value past our own era. Zimbabwe dollar they get value. Now if you have 1 billion Zimbabwe dollar, if you want to do one for 2016 that time, 1 billion Zimbabwe dollar now 100 and something naira for Nigeria. I'm not 200 down. And that's 200 something naira. Now Zimbabwe money now don't they get power past our own era. Imagine the hardship. God talk say make we live out to God. Now God go they and they realize they seriously we Nigerians we they try to seriously we need to now people will voice out now. What happens to them? You see, come arrest them. People will they kill us 247 bandits will they kill us 247. What's now do to them? If they call them repentant bandits, repentant Boko Haram. Someone they call them common criminals. And those people they kill over 30 people. Imagine the killings, imagine the hardship, everything they happen. Imagine person they pay for darkness, things they add, food cost, insecurity, rise, and the problem. Peter Obi don't talk and say these people then they more popular than most politicians, and because of these people they talk the truth. These two people, Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu and what they call him, this Yoruba man, Sunday Igboho. So those two people then they talk truth and they fight for the rights. That's why they more popular more than all these politicians. Some politicians and their pocket. In fact, let me say not some. All politicians and their pockets they know anything when we say if it benefits them, they no go talk am. They no fit talk am at all. Anything when no go benefit them, they no go talk am. This Ufia Yumba we talk and say you want go find out about the killings wey dey happen for South is na lie. I tell you, na lie. In they go there for his own interest, not be because of people. In they go there, we talk say, our senator wey be the life of people. They na lie. Now today killings they happen for Southeast. Now today, why we say now when in this thing in campaign stuff they destroy, they spoil. That's when he come reason am say make you go greet this man for sale. Wey say dey why? Anything when they go favor our politicians, they no go ever do am. They no go ever do now their pockets. But some senate they go dey sleep for White House for house. They go dey sleep. They go dey snore. President they read the budget. One almost senator in the snore. For chair and at the last of the week, I mean at the end of the stuff, they go dey share billions of naira. We Nigerians go dey suffer. Our tax, everything. Yes, wetin dey happen. People will voice out. Wetin dey happen. People where they protest today now, still they arrest them. So, which means say we must suffer and smile for this country. I can't wonder how some people see that the fact say killings. They don't say they see clear evidence. We see everything they happen. Despite all this hardship, some people still they die for this. Anyway, now apologies. We cannot talk too much because if I talk, person go invest. Anyhow, Peter Obi don't talk. I don't talk the reason we be say these two people they more popular past all the politicians. We say them they. What do you say now? Think about this matter where I bring. Which now they happy with them. If they happy, better than the facts. If they happy, I name. Now MC Top Secrets. I dey everywhere. Follow me. See my next edition. Thank you.